Hello everybody, this is BrickMeisterZ, and last month you saw some new information about the upcoming LEGO Ideas Typewriter set. This will be set number 21327, and it has 2,078 pieces, which will retail for $200 when it comes out in June or July of 2021. If you remember the original project, the typewriter was dark gray, but this time, the color is going to be a little bit different. Instead of dark gray, this will be in sand green. Just like the LEGO Ideas Grand Piano set, the typewriter will be functional with the LEGO Powered Up app that will be able to connect to your iPad or your iPhone. My guess the battery box will be included with the set because it will definitely have the click and sound effects when you press the keys. All these round 2x2 tiles will definitely have new prints. Inside the Powered Up app, you will have imaginary paper on the screen in order to type something. This will be a great new LEGO Ideas set, and I cannot wait to pick it up when we get physical set images. But that's it. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below if you really like the leak of the brand new LEGO Ideas Typewriter set that will be coming out soon. But that's it for now. My name is BrickMeisterZ signing off, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.